Welcome to your new Notion system. I know you want to get started, but we have a few things we're going to go over before you're able to jump right in that will help you have more success with using the system. If you are a Notion Pro, you probably do not need to watch this video. However, it is pretty short. We are going to go over how to install and duplicate the system so that you can add it to your own Notion. Let's jump right in. Today we are looking at the template access page, and this is going to be the first page that pulls up after you download the system. You'll see here that there is a link to join our Discord, a link to download the Notion app, which I highly recommend, and a link to my TikTok. Here you will find that we have the two different versions of the system, a laptop version and a monitor version. I like to have two different versions because Notion does look very different whether you're using it on a big screen or a small screen, so this just ensures that the system is optimized for whatever screen you use most often. These are not linked, so I would choose the one that you use most frequently. It's not going to be unusable on the other side, it just might look a little bit different. Once you have this open, you're going to right click whichever one you would like and choose open in a new tab. Once we do that, it should open the full system here, and you're going to go and select the duplicate button at the top of the screen. If for whatever reason you do not have this duplicate button, go ahead and select the three dots and you should have a duplicate link somewhere right there in that menu. When you're ready, go ahead and hit the duplicate button, and if you are logged into Notion, it should ask you which workspace you would like to duplicate the template to. If you are not logged in at this moment, it will ask you to log in. I'm going to go ahead and select my own Notion and choose add to private. When I do that, it is going to duplicate the system and put it into my private pages. This might take a second. It is a very large and complex system, so just be sure to give it a moment if it is loading for a while. Now, when you open your sidebar, you should see the template listed at the very top of your sidebar. Sometimes it does go to the very bottom. You can scroll down to find it if that's the case for you, but the system is now duplicated into your own Notion. And that's it. Next up, I'm going to show you an overview of the dashboard page. Let's go.